Welcome. This is our new and improved Parents' Night, or maybe not new and improved, depending on what you feel about this. We're going to talk through some things about your students in my class. My name is Kim Deutsch. I'm very excited to be your child's teacher this year. A little bit about me. This is my 34th year in the classroom. Most of them are VWHS High School, middle school. I graduated from VWHS High School. I'm married to Brad Deutsch, who's a Lincoln View teacher, and we have 3 grown children. So school is kind of my life these days, along with me coaching golf. We are going to walk through some things, but first of all, masks are the new norm. This is going to be interesting for all of us. We need to make sure we're wearing them all the time, but we also need to learn to speak nice and loud and clear in them, which I know is difficult. So if you can encourage your kids to speak up when they talk, this will really be helpful. I don't know about you, but I'm often caught saying, can you repeat that? Because it's hard to talk with masks on. But I know we're anxious about things. We will get through all of these things together. The classes that you might have your child in my room for, if they're in Algebra 1, they would be bringing this book home. They will probably have homework on a daily basis. Quizzes and tests on every Friday quiz and probably every 2 or 3 weeks a test. This is the Algebra 2 book that you will be seeing brought home. And if they're in my class for Math Lab is whatever class they have. I'm helping them with homework. I'm helping with things that they are deficient in. My class always has been a little different than other classes because I give everybody my home phone number. So my home phone number for you also is 419-605-8550. I want them to call when they don't understand things. This isn't just new last year. I've always done this until 9:30 at night. After 9:30 at night, they need to let me know the next morning. I'm also a golf coach, so if they say, I called and she didn't answer, tell them to leave their name and their number and what their problem is. And if I can't get back with them before 9:30, I will get a hold of them in the morning to give help with them. Here's some questions you can ask your student if they're saying, I don't understand this, I don't get this. First one is, which problem in your notes that you took today is this problem like? Because that will get them using the notes that they took in class, and maybe that will refresh their memory. The second question is, have you looked in the back of the book for what the odd answer is and worked backwards to see if you can get that? The third one, have you called your study buddy and gone through numbers 1 and 2 together? Everyone will have a study buddy that they can talk math with. And if they've gone through 1, 2, and 3 and they're still like, yeah, I've done all those things and I don't get it, tell them to pick up the phone and call me. I will be glad to talk with them. A lot of them want to text. I can text with them as long as we can do it that way. If not, I'll probably end up calling them because it gets hard to do things by text. The supplies that they're going to need in my room is a 1.5-inch binder at least. I tell them we're going to kill a lot of trees because we take a lot of notes. Pens and pencils. This year's a little different. I want everybody to have their own 4-pack of markers to carry with them all the time, even if they want to carry them one at a time and leave the rest in their locker, because they're going to have their own pen marker to write on the board because of COVID situations. Last thing is a calculator. The scientific calculator that they got in middle school is an okay calculator if they have it. If they're an Algebra 2 student and they are going to be taking pre-calc and calc and maybe going on to college, I suggest a graphing calculator. No, I'm not telling them they have to go out and buy them. Sometimes you can find one from an older brother, sister, cousin, neighbor who doesn't need it. We do have a classroom set of these, but with COVID, the cleaning of those could be a little different, but they have to have a calculator to do homework at night. This year is going to be an experiment of how to do things well and how to keep everybody calm through doing things differently. We may be in class all year long, I'm praying. We may be online. Online will look differently than last year. We will take attendance daily. They will be required to attend. There will be Zoom sessions. There will be notes given. Be patient. Be graceful with all that because it could be fluid and things could change very quickly. I'm very excited about this school year and hope that your child enjoys my classroom. Thank you.